filter that is separate. And it's just really just amazing, isn't it? Salamat po.
Alam ko iuwi yung isang airbed. Tapos ahuwi na lang natin isang airbed. Para meron tayong extra. Dito kaya sa akin yung bike ko.
Hi there guys. So we're just here in the mailbox. Just for the checking and inspection of the condo. So this is my outfit of the day. It looks completely opposite. I apologize. Yung babae. So I'll show you guys the gas mask that I usually use. This one that you see mostly in my videos is the one that I take with me outside most of the time. And I know you guys have been asking me if I do have filters inside, which is yes, I do. Inside I have another filter that is separate from the gas mask itself, which is, I'm gonna show you. Wait, there. So this is the filter that is near my face. Yeah, it's like that on the side. So I just place that in, and this one keeps it in place. I mean this is not included in the gas mask, but I just include it in just to, you know, separate the filter from my face. But although it's not really recommended that you put that, because it does get into it's not really good fit for me, to be honest. But it's just enough to, you know, maybe next time I'll put on a additional face mask for you, as you have requested for me. So yeah. What else can I say about this mask? This mask is actually snugly fit for my face. Unlike other masks, I tried some other masks out there, just like with my partner. Uh, it doesn't fit me. It's quite bigger than, you know, my face is. Especially back then when I was a bit thinner. I mean, my face was like, it doesn't fit any mask at all. So this one has, what do you call this one? Cartridge. This one has 2 cartridges, which is, both of them also have filters in it. Yeah, and it's adjustable, and on these sides. What else? But the best thing about it is that it has a wide range of view. Like, I mean, I could like see you even from here. There are other masks that restricts my view, so I'm not able to see on the sides, which is not good if you're on the road, especially. So this one does especially that. It's a good one. I also put in a plastic protectant here. Although I'm not really good at putting it, as you can see there are some bubbles. But if I'm gonna use it again, sooner or later I'll change this one too. So yeah, if you guys wanna know if I do have filters, yes I do, inside, and there we go. So this is my usual mask. So yeah guys, if you need to stay here in the Philippines, or preferably near the schools, which is University of the Philippines or Miriam College or Ateneo, you can rent this place up. This is, just check in my calendar if it's available, because yeah, we have really good stuff for you. I'll just modify that part. But my hair is long anyway. Look at that. Look how long that is. I'm sorry, it hasn't been maintained much. I haven't had the time to maintain it. But I'll try to maintain it more frequently than I usually do, because I'll try. I think my heat cup broke, so we're still gonna find a new heat cup. So my hair's length is like, it grows more than my knees, I guess. It's really long, and sometimes I just cut it here, but not too much. Sooner or later maybe I'll cut it again to cut the split ends. There, it's not. Why is it parang mas lalo siyang ano?
Hindi mo rin.
Inflation pababa, deflation pataas. It smells dead.
Opening.
It smells like ano, parang ano.
So that's the normal ano.
Tama ba? Wait lang. Going out nga. Got something new. Don't we now? I got these cute mugs. They're all quite small actually if you'll try them. Tadakimasu. We got more speakers. And it's just really nice to hear. I can actually hear the sounds well this time. Yeah. Look at that garden. This is actually the result of the birds. They kind of just lay down those things over there. Those beautiful flowers. I don't know. Look how beautiful it is. Just amazing, isn't it? Full?
Mm. Mm.
Which direction is it?
Ayusin mo na. Takot pagkakalagay mo, may ako.
Hindi mo.
Parang
Siguro bang yung tama niya, bakit parang nakaganyan siya kaysa sa kanina.
That part?
May sasaksak. Okay, what I mean sa may sasaksak mismo. Doon tayo sa labas. Charging, recording na ako.
Oh, there's no light or anything. I don't know what's wrong. Yeah. There's no light or anything.
Asan yung ano niya, manual niya.
May makikita ka eh.
Hindi man saksak maigi.
You should be able to see a number of minutes.
Tapos,